Hey there guys and gals, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingandDesign.com, and thank you so much for watching my video. In today's video, I am going to be sharing the latest kind of like Builderall news, right? I want to share with you some of the cool new updates that Builderall has recently implemented to the platform. I know many of you are sitting on the sidelines wondering if Builderall is right for you, and it has just gone through so many improvements and upgrades, and it's constantly evolving that I just love it. So anyway, in this video, I want to share with you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 new awesome features about Builderall that if you are on my team, you totally need to watch this video so you can see everything that's in your back office. And if you're not with Builderall, you are going to want to be by the time this video is done. So if you want to learn the latest updates inside of the Builderall platform, then keep on watching. Alright guys and gals, well again, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingandDesign.com. Please take just one moment to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate that. Alright guys, so it is my 6-month anniversary with Builderall, and I'll tell you what, talk about something new every day. Talking about every day feels like Christmas at Builderall. I don't know about you, but I do love that. Some people like things to be constant, to not change, to just, you know, kind of like just be static. I am the opposite. Give me change. Give me something new. Give me something exciting, something to get giddy about. That's my personality. I love it. And so that's why I love Builderall. Well, the first thing here is, oh my gosh, the new visual dashboard. Before it was just a menu here, and it was just like a banner here that led to the blog, which it wasn't so practical, I guess. And they just released a a brand new visual dashboard, which is going to make things so much easier to navigate. All you have to do now is you can go under builders and just find your builder really easily from here. You can go to the sales funnel from here. Your autoresponder is here. All your apps and everything are here. Your design studio is here. The webinar platform is here. And by the way, the multi-panel panelist feature is going to be released very soon, so stay tuned for that. And may I remind you that as of the date of this video, Builderall is only $50 for the business plan. Okay, I definitely foresee millions of users at that price point. It is absolutely amazing. So here is the marketplace. You could literally come into Builderall and sell your products in the marketplace. You can create your own army of affiliates inside the marketplace. So if you haven't checked out the marketplace, you really got to go check that out. Okay, and then everything you need as a Builderall affiliate, here's your Builderall business. Everything is right here to help you get going with your Builderall business. And then we've got the tutorial and training videos here, special add-ons, which are the extra purchases that you've made. Like for example, I did a special training with Eric when I first signed up. So all that is here and still available to me. I paid for it. I still have access to it. And then here we have support. So I just love this visual dashboard. And now we have quick links to all the main places, to the QuickStart, which I'm going to show you in just a minute, to the Facebook affiliate page, which is basically Builderall English, the YouTube channel, quick support right here, guys. You need support, click support here. You can click support here. You can click support here. Now there is no way to get lost in this dashboard. And then you can disable your notifications, which I don't. I love seeing this full of notifications. It's either my team messaging me, it's a prospect messaging me, or it's a notification of commissions, which is really awesome. Okay, so the second thing is we have a quick start section. So what do you want to do with Builderall? What do you want to do? Do you want to build a business? Do you want to be an affiliate? Do you want to grow your current business? All you have to do now is come to the quick start section and answer a few questions. Check this out. So let's say you want to do the affiliate program. You want to build a Builderall leverage affiliate business. So you're going to click on here, and this is going to take you to all these videos. Oh my God. I am so giddy about this, guys. Honestly, everything is there for you now for you to succeed. It's so awesome. So here we have Alex Payne sharing with you how to build a leveraged affiliate business. Okay, so let's go back. See, look at this. First steps to promoting Builderall. Learn more about Builderall, 30 days of content, how to choose a funnel to promote. Guys, this is amazing, amazing, okay? No way to get lost now, okay? So skyrocket, hey Alex, skyrocket a business you already have. So let's say you already have a business. Let's say you are a coach, you're trying to sell programs. Maybe you want to sell something online. You can click here and it's going to give you choices. You can create a website, create and sell a product, create a sales funnel, create an animated or floating video. Guys, this is freaking phenomenal, okay? I just love this so much. Okay. And start an online business from scratch. Check this out. So now you can come here and it'll show you how to start your digital marketing business online using the Builderall business tools. Guys, this is freaking fantastic. So it's going to be so much easier to onboard your new clients and partners inside of Builderall. Now with the quick start, there's no question on where they should go because all they need to do is answer a few questions and watch a few videos. It is absolutely amazing. Now the third thing I want to show you is, check this out, let's go to the apps, okay? So let's go to browser notifications, which is one of the apps inside Builderall. Well, before, I gotta be honest, it was like, okay, so how do I do this? I have no idea. You would have to go out of here, go to a tutorial, go to the tutorial section, and then try to find the tutorial for the browser notifications. It was kind of not convenient. But guess what they just did? Now they added the tutorial right inside your app, guys. So all you have to do now is click right here and your tutorial pops up. Oh my gosh, how cool is that? Let's say you want to put that little social proof bubble on the bottom of your website or lead capture page. All you gotta do now is come here, go to social proof, and now there's a video. Before there was nothing here. You did kind of have to guess it, right? Or you would have to go to the tutorials, which was, it wasn't impossible, it just wasn't convenient, okay? So now, guess what? Boom! We have a tutorial right here on the app page. So that is super duper exciting. And now your tutorials are right there at your fingertips, guys and gals. So that is very, very exciting. And check this out. Still in doubt? Check out all our tutorials. So while we're in the app section, I've got to share with you our new chatbot. Okay, we have an actual chatbot that works with all your Builderall lead pages. It works inside Facebook, and even though I don't know how it totally works yet, okay, basically it works similar to ManyChat. Now I gotta give a shout out to my good friend WASSILI from the Netherlands. He is a chatbot pro. That guy is a master at chatbot, and I'll actually link his website right below because he is really amazing when it comes to chatbots. But we have a chatbot now inside of Builderall, so that you can have more automations in your marketing, and that is freaking amazing, and it's working, guys. So I'm very, very excited about that. So make sure that you go ahead and check that out. So I'm not going to go ahead and continue right now and go through all this. We have tutorials explaining how to use the chatbot. But if you were looking for something that works kind of like ManyChat, but it integrates beautifully with Builderall, well, now you have it in your back office. All right, well, let's go back to support. Let me go back to the main area right here, okay? And I am going to click on support through the visual option. So I'm going to go ahead and click on access support. Okay, so you're going to come here to support, and you're going to try to figure out, what is your problem? Do you have a problem with domains and hosting? This is one that comes up a lot, right? So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on domains and hosting. And then what I'm going to do is, there are questions that get asked a lot. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go through the knowledge base to see if my question has already been answered, okay? If not, I'm going to click on other problems, all right? And check this out. Now we have live chat. Guys, so many people have been asking for this. They've been asking for live chat support. And might I remind you that we've only been around in the US for about a year and change, okay? Some of these other really, really big companies that have been around for 6, 7 years recently started with live chat. So, Builderall is very special because what they do is they're always trying to meet the demand of what their customers and users want. And I applaud them for that because I see how hard they work. They're always, adding more staff, adding more developers, adding more people to the Builderall roster to make sure that everyone is getting their needs taken care of. So I really, really love that they did this. And of course, use it with discretion because we don't want to drive the support people crazy. But always, I go through a specific, kind of like chain of command. First, go to the Builderall support. Try to go to the knowledge base first. If you don't find your question in the knowledge base, then you can go here and either write your problem here and if it's not an emergency, you can write it here, or if you just can't wait, then go ahead and click on the live chat. Now, the person may not be there at that very moment, but if you need to get someone on the line faster, you can do it through the live chat feature. Alright, so now the last thing I want to show you is actually inside the builders. Okay, so I created this quick little onboarding page for all of my new partners, and right here, if I right click on this, okay, and go over here, now there's a cool new text editor box that follows you, which is really, really cool. Before, you'd have to go ahead and tweak all your font sizes and everything right in here. And I don't know, I just didn't really like that. I mean, I could work it, I could work around it, but it was like, this is better to me, okay? Like, you can literally change your fonts on the fly. You can use a new style right here, boom, and you can change the fonts right from here. I don't want to mess it up, but you can go ahead and check it out here, move it right here. It's kind of like a WYSIWYG editor right here on the on the side in its own separate box, and then you hit save, and from here you can go ahead and center and do all that other stuff. But it's kind of like a text editor floating box that you can use anytime you right click on a text that you want to edit. This is new, this wasn't here before, and I think it's so cool. And so they are constantly innovating, constantly improving, constantly bringing on new things to Builderall, and that's one of the reasons that I love them. So you can build anything you want in Builderall. If you are a creative person, or if you are a web designer, or if you are somebody who just likes, to have full control of their websites and where you're going to put things, you're going to absolutely love our Pixel Perfect Builder once you start really, truly learning the platform. All right, guys and gals, so I really hope that you enjoyed that quick little tour of these new features inside of Builderall. If you did, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. Make sure to hit the notification bell for my next upload. I am working on another epic tutorial that focuses on Mailing Boss and showing you how to connect your autoresponder to a lead capture page in a very simple way, so that you have a quick reference tutorial that will be coming soon, so you don't want to miss that. And I'm also going to be sharing some of my insider, you know, like top producer secrets, because I am actually number 10 in the company right now. I love the product, but I'm also an affiliate. So honestly, it's kind of like the best of both worlds, right? Because I use the product, I believe in the product, so I promote the product, and not only am I using the product, but I'm building a team. And so I will be sharing some of my, you know, insider tips to help you also build your business online. So just make sure to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for those type of videos. So if you are on my team, please, 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 please make sure that you keep this video, go through your Builderall back office, check out these awesome new features, and really get to know your dashboard. There's so many improvements, and Builderall's always working to improve and always coming out with new things that you definitely got to go check those things out. Now, if you're not with Builderall and you want to partner with Team Rise, which is my team, I would love to have you. All you have to do is click on the link right below in the description box, and you can either join us straight away, or you can activate a 7-day free trial by going through my link below, and I will be totally happy to have you, and you will have access to all kinds of bonuses, share funnels, trainings, plus I do a Facebook Live for my team and a coaching session once a month. So I just want to just pour as much value on you guys as possible. So I would love to have you on our team. So anyway, this has been Barbie Figueroa. Thank you so much for watching this update. I truly appreciate you. Again, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you on the next video. Bye!